Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of silver has moved in 2021 and how the price of silver can move in the 2022 in the coming year. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what you can see in from 2025 to 2020, the price was moving in a particular range. Okay, and the range high was around 20.942 and the low, which is only came at once in 2020 at around 11.762, which because of the pandemic that has come. Okay, now if you look at the chart from 20, it was in a particular zone. Okay, it has not moved in the upside. Okay, before that, if you have any doubt regarding silver, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in silver is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. Now look at the chart. Okay, if you look at the chart from 2015, the high was made at around 18.319, and in 2016 to 2017 the high was around 21.223. Okay, from there it has moving with a high of around 18600, and if we see from 2018, the high was not more than 17.102. okay, so what you can see, the high is in between $18-17 and something like this. Okay, but if we look at the from 2019 to 2020, the high was around 19.537. okay, but once this zone break upside, okay, once this zone has moved upside and crossed this particular zone, we have seen it made a high of around 29. okay, why is it so? Because it was moving in this particular zone for a longer time, and once there is a zone breakout, we have seen there is a rise in the price of silver or whatever commodity trades. Okay, or if it has moved down, if it has to move down, then it will move in the particular on the downside. Suppose if it moves downside, then we can see a further fall in the price of particular commodity. Okay, now what we can see, now it is moving in this particular zone for a longer time. Okay, from 31st July to now, till now it is moving in this particular zone. So what we can see, looking at the previous track record, we can see there if the price move upside or downside, then we can see further fall in the price of silver. Okay, see, now look at the chart. So now it is trading around 23.100. Suppose if the price sustain above this level, okay, suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 24.023. Suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 24.656. so keep this in mind that if the price goes above a level of 24.340, probability of going high and touching a level of 24.656 is very high, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 25.2. if it goes above a level of 24.218, then probability of touching to 24.873 is very high. Okay, and this level is already tested, so chances of touching 25.31 is a probability. See, I have already told you that if the price breaks or is a support got tested twice, so chances of going upside for the third time is very high. So what we can see, if it goes above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 25.424. okay, and this is the particular high from August 21. If we look at the chart, this is the high. Suppose if the price sustain, what we can see, if this level, if we look at this level is already tested here. So but what we can see, if it comes close to this level, we can see a little bounce back from this level, or if it bounce again from this particular zone, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 26.009. suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 26.526, and from there we can see it can go further high to a level of 26.871. okay, and from there if it sustain above this level, then we can see a level of 27.422, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 28.007. what we can see, that once this zone break upside, okay, suppose if it sustain above a level of 27.37, then I've already told you that it can move further high to a level of 27.973. suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see a level of 28.524, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 28.937. okay, once if it goes above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 29.454. okay, once if it goes above a level of 29.351, so what we can see, if it will go further, and the probability of touching 29.867 is very high. From there we can see it can go further high to a level of 30.143. Okay, once 30.143 is touched, then we can see if it sustain above this level for 5-10 minutes, then we can see it can go further high, because this is the high we have not seen from 6-7 years. Okay, so probability of going high will be very high. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, so probability of going and touch a level of 22.631. okay, once if it goes below a level of 22.549, and from there if it goes below a level of 22.222, then we can see it can go further fall to a level of 21.896. once 21.896, if it sustain below this level, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 21.446, and this level is already tested here. So chances of going down and touch a level of 19.935 is very high, and from there we can see a level of 19.690. okay, suppose if the price sustain below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 18.914, and from there we can see it can go further down to a level of 18.219. okay, and from there we can see it can go further fall to a level of 17.607, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 16.611. so again I repeat that if the price goes below a level of 22.583, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 22.040, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 21.497, or if it sustain below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 19.989, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 19.567, or from there we can see a level of 19. okay, once if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go further fall to a level of 17.937, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 17.293. okay, and if it didn't sustain this level also, then we can see a level of 16.198, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 14.904. okay, so once if it comes close to this level, then we can see it can go fall further to a level of 13.675, and from there we can see it can go fall further to a level of 11.856 also. So any doubt you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.